Welcome to Code It Together. Let's learn and build. Hey, glad you're here. If you're kind of person who likes to learn by doing, figure things out, hands-on, and have fun while learning, you're in the right place. I'm a developer just like you, figuring things out, one project at a time. Here, we'll explore the world of coding, building, and solving real problems together. We'll learn and build with technologies like Python for building APIs, doing analysis, and even some ML and AI. SAP ABAP, understanding how the backend of big enterprise system works. SAP BTP, modern tools for building cloud apps. JavaScript, Node.js, Fiori framework for web apps and integrating with SAP. But it's not just about tutorials. We'll walk through projects step by step. Not just theory, but how to apply it. If I don't know something yet, I'll learn it and show you how I do it. I'm not here to give boring slides of 30-hour lectures. I'm here to build small things, real things, and show the mistakes, the thinking, and the progress. We'll make diagrams, test stuff, write code, and improve together. Whether you're learning SAP, Python, JavaScript, or how to connect systems, you'll find useful content here. So, if you want to grow your skills, build cool stuff, and learn in real and honest way, hit subscribe. Let's figure it out together and commit at a time. Thanks for stopping by and see you in the first video.